Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to Blauparts. In this video, we're going to be demonstrating how you can change the transfer case fluid on a 2021 Toyota Tundra. This is going to apply to all 2013 to 2021 Toyota Tundra models. All the steps in this video will also apply to the older 2007 to 2012 Tundra models. However, there will be some minor differences in the transfer case drain and fill plug sizes, their torque specifications, and the recommended transfer case fluid specification. To learn more about these differences in the 2012 and older Tundra models, check out our blog linked in the description below. For this demonstration, we're going to be using one of our Blau transfer case differential fluid change kits that includes all the essentials for this fluid change. It includes the recommended 75 weight transfer case fluid for all 2013 to 2021 Toyota Tundra models. To find the right transfer case differential fluid change kit for your Tundra, or for more information on the recommended transfer case fluid specifications, fill capacities, change intervals, and performance benefits when using our Blau pre-assembled transfer case differential fluid change kits, check out our link in the description below. So let's get started. Begin by confirming that the transfer case is warm. This allows the fluid to drain more thoroughly while it's being drained. During the fluid change, the vehicle will need to be in a level position. Most Toyota Tundra transfer case fluid changes can be done on a flat, level surface without lifting the vehicle. In our case, we're going to be gaining access to the bottom side of the vehicle using an SAE-approved automotive lift. To confirm you're lifting the vehicle correctly, you can reference your factory owner's manual for the proper vehicle lift point locations and safety procedures. Next, locate the transfer case fluid fill plug. This is on the rear side of the transfer case, closest to the drive shaft. Loosen and remove the fill plug in a counterclockwise direction using a 3/8 square bit or ratchet. Removing the fill plug before draining the transfer case confirms you have a way to refill it in case the fill plug is seized and can't be removed. Next, locate the transfer case fluid drain plug. This is on the rear lower left section of the transfer case. Loosen and remove the drain plug in a counterclockwise direction using a 3/8 square bit or ratchet. Allow the old transfer case fluid to drain into a suitable waste oil drain pan. Next, clean the drain and fill plugs from debris, corrosion, and old thread sealant. Once clean, apply a small amount of automotive grade thread sealant on the drain and fill plug threads to ensure an original seal with no leaks. Next, reinstall the drain plug, threading it in a clockwise direction. Using a 3/8 square bit and torque wrench, tighten the drain plug. In our case, we're tightening it to a 15 foot-pound torque specification. Next, begin filling the transfer case with the recommended 75 weight transfer case fluid specification. The correct fluid level has been achieved when a stream of fluid begins overflowing from the transfer case fluid fill port, or a 1.5 liter fill capacity. For more information on the recommended Toyota Tundra transfer case fluid specifications and fill capacities, see the link below. Next, with the transfer case fluid level full, you can reinstall the fill plug by threading it in a clockwise direction. Using a 3/8 square bit and torque wrench, tighten the fill plug. In our case, we're tightening it to a 15 foot-pound torque specification. Next, using a rag, clean and remove any excess fluid from the transfer case fluid drain and fill plug areas. The transfer case should be completely cleaned from any fluid residue. This will later help when inspecting and confirming that the transfer case does not have any leaks after performing your fluid change and test drive. So that's an overview on how to change the transfer case fluid on the 2013 to 2021 Toyota Tundra models. If you have any other questions or for more information on our convenient pre-assembled Blau fluid change kits, or any other high-performance engine oils, transmission fluids, gear oils, or transfer case fluids for your Toyota Tundra, you can visit our website at blauparts.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.